Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is going to be a good one. This is going to be so good. I'm so excited. If you watched my last vlog where I went to the appearance with LTK to their gifting suite, I took you guys with me. This one is so amazing. I am so honored to be invited to this appearance because this is in conjunction with The Iconic. If you don't know The Iconic, you are clearly living under a rock. The Iconic are wild in the amount of brands that they have on their site, the amount that they can, it's almost like a version of Farfetch, what they can find, what they can get. Honestly, The Iconic, it will be on there. They are so phenomenal and I am so honored to be invited to this event, to go make an appearance at this one as well. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So we're gonna do some glam now. I just have it sitting all out here back on my bench where I do my Q&A get ready with me. A shout out to Beauty Blender. Oh my god, you guys, I cleaned all my brushes. Note to self, always clean your brushes and your beauty sponges because ick. I watched a Huda Beauty TikTok the other day and they grow so much bacteria. So shout out to them. They are so famous for their beauty blender. So we're gonna go and do glam now. So we'll do a quick little TikTok situation and go from this to this. I know that was a little TikTok moment, probably not done great. I don't have any under eye makeup on, just because shout out to all my ladies and gents out there who have runny eyes. We are obviously doing a dark eye, so all of the runny eye girls and guys out there, I feel you because I can't have under eye makeup on until the last minute because my eyes just run black everywhere. This is what happens to my life. TikTok. Boom. I come back in and she's just like laying there, scared the crap out of me. She's just like this tiny little like ant that lives like under my armpit. I put her in my pocket. This is such a glamorous nighttime look in the middle of the day. Angel, of course. I'm about to annihilate her. Sorry, you're gonna smell me for the rest of the day and life, even though it's all over all my clothes. We're here. Behind me is my blazer. Hashtag Jerusha Couture, circa 2008. My boutique. I am putting my blazer on. We are going into the event. I don't have my shoes on. And I can't put them on because they're really hard to put on. But I will show you what I am wearing if I can. I know I said that last time. The bag I chose to carry is of course my rectangular mini flap from Chanel Silver Hardware. It's just a vibe, but that's the vibe. Just very slick, black, completely opposite to the last appearance. So cute, love that. We're serving all different looks. This is real life. We're getting judged. We are getting judged. That is Melzy putting my heel on. It's a vibe in the middle of the city. It's a vibe. Okay, we'll just give you a quick full shot. Love it. Slash actually Jerusha Couture. Wish I had more of these so I could sell them to you guys, but I don't. Well, I do, but she won't let me. Okay, let's go show you around this event. Meow! Hi!
I got to see you in so fun. Oh!
1 week!
It's ready.
1 week!
I'm ready for Iconic.
Oh my god! I had to give you something different this week. I had to give you something different this
You
week.
look so cute. I love it.
Let's get you on the
Oh,
vlog.
she's got the content.
Guys, this is Adina.
Hey,
She has been my #1 contact this whole time. And this is the Iconic event. So, over the moon. And I'm so happy to be invited.
Yes, of course. You're always invited. Okay, let's go.
So let's go. Let's go check it out. high-end Instagrammer with her beautiful skin.
And we've just become besties.
We've just become besties because we are talking high-end luxury legal. You guys know how I feel about this. Seriously, I go in hard. When Jerusha's on it, I want to know about it, okay? We always gossip.
Everything,
Want to know everything. I always say, what is everyone doing? What is everyone wanting to buy? What is everyone in the Jewish? Well, listen, we got some serious gossip happening. This is Rose. She's my new BFF. We're gonna go and have coffee together.
Yeah.
We have to talk about
And we're gonna like debunk it all.
Totally.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
She loves being on the vlog.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Body by Burner.
I don't even need to introduce, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna take over her vlog.
Every vlog.
Every vlog. Like if you want the burn to take over.
Listen, if they get to come to your penthouse, they're taking over.
Are you gonna come back and do a Pilates
My mum
session?
goes, are you gonna start Pilates now that you've met Vern? I was like, yeah!
And we're gonna bring over the designer baggies. And we're gonna
For her bag.
I take all my clients' bags.
I said all her clients' bags. She goes, Jerusha, come into the bag room. We gotta take a bag shot. She runs over with my Birkin. I'm like, yes!
She's like, have fun with it, bye.
Look better on you than it did on me, girl.
No, it looks good on you. I love you.
Oh my god, I'm so glad this was another event. They need to just keep LTK. You heard us. I said to Arizona, keep these events going.
Every single week we want a gifting because we love getting the free stuff.
That's it. And we are on the map, okay? Thank you. Australia's on the map. Australia, we're on the map. And the iconic, I'm going to leave links below to my favorite resale. They have consignment handbags.
Oh, guys, the bags.
There is a Chanel in there.
Did you take footage of
Boss
it?
just goes, are you going to steal that handbag? I was like, yes, please.
Yeah, maybe.
There's an amazing pre-love.
They might give you one.
Medium flat, why not? Like, hi. And Jerusha, give it to me. And give one to Bern as well.
Yeah, and me too, so I can put it in my Pilates.
She has to go to work to go and do Pilates on her shame.
Yeah.
Surfront beach house. The best ever. I just love you.
Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's.
Okay guys, I am leaving this amazing LTK / the iconic event appearance. This is Tina.
Hello. Nice to meet you guys.
She is a fashion blogger as well. And she is going to be moving over to the US. To you guys. To San Francisco. And meet all my followers.
Yeah, no, you have to say hello if you follow and I'll pass on the message.
If you follow me, you have to. I'm going to link Tina's Insta and everything below. She wants to start vlogging.
Yes, I do, and you were the inspiration.
I promoted that she definitely should when she goes to San Francisco. Shout out to San Francisco because your city is stunning. So she has so much content there anyway. But I'm going to end this vlog here, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything from the iconic. I'll put some cutaways of everything, all the little goodies they give us.
Really good event.
Such great events. Honestly, for us vloggers to come out and be together and be part of something, have these appearances and see each other. Tell you what, it's so good. I feel like sometimes we're a little bit behind the times.
We're getting there.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!
Take it out.